Hi, hope you are having a good day. The video is quite shaky since I didn't have a good mounting stuff for my phone, and today I decided to record one of the days that me and Ezra go out to bike around town. Since she lives about a quarter of kilometer from me, my route basically is from the town's bus stop to the town hall. I meet her there, then we head to Duca Bay. It's a famous barangay in our town because it has a beautiful stretch of beach both in black and white. Actually, the town is a coastal town, so we see the sun rising and setting on the shores ever since. Then, the same route back home, probably stop by the market to buy kwek kwek, hot dog on a stick, buko juice, etc. So I complete around 8 kilometers in a session plus a heavy tummy. So I hope you could stay a bit longer to see us get there, enjoy, and of course, don't forget to like and subscribe.